Okay, so now we're going to start our downloading of pictures for our photo montage. So I'm going to double click and open up Chrome, and I'm going to search for the topic. The topic of my photo montage can be anything I want, any single topic. Cars, it could be more specific, Fords, it could be more specific, Mustangs. It could even be more specific, performance Mustangs like Salines or Steedas or Roush or Cobras made by Carroll Shelby. You could do that, okay? But you got to pick a category that's going to make sure that you're able to download and use 50 pictures, okay? Each one of these pictures will have to be different and unique. And because of that being different and unique, you will have other abilities to describe them besides just Mustang, red Mustang, something like that. So let's all put in our topic and do a quick search. I am going to do Ferrari. Okay. Once I have put in the name and done the search, I want to then click on the Images tab. Okay, so at this point we have selected our topic. We have gone to the Images tab inside Google, and now we need to go into our settings and then go to Advanced Search to set up the needed parameters for size, file type, and type of image. So image size, larger than 2 megapixels. Image type, photo. File type, JPEG files. And then hit Advanced Search again for all the images to then conform to our new guidelines. And as you see right below the Images tab, we now have larger than 2 megapixel, photo, and JPEG files. At this point, you are going to start the process of downloading your 50 pictures for your photo montage. First thing you want to do is find the image that you want to use. I'm going to use this image right here. So I click once on it, and this image appears to the right. This allows me to download the larger image. For Mac users, I'm going to hold down the Control button and click on the image. PC users, I'm going to right-click the image. Then I'm going to go to Save Image As. Okay, at this point, this is our actual first project, or could be our first project. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and I am going to make a new folder, if I don't already have one, on my desktop called my class name, this is ROP, underscore my name. Okay. Just like that. I'm going to add video to this one because I already have one, ROP my name. And then I'm going to open that folder. So my main folder is the one I opened. Inside my main folder, as I do here, I have names of all of my project files. Yours might only have one folder in it as of now. Mine has the ones from last semester. So at this point, I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to call it photo montage underscore my name. All project files will be the name of the project underscore our name. I then open that up, and as of right now, it's empty because I just made it. Now I'm going to name my file. As we gave in the directions, all file names will be the same name. So 1 through 50, all the same. The only thing that will change is the name, is the number of the file. So I'm going to go Ferrari underscore 1. Ferrari underscore 1. I am saving it in my photo montage folder, and then hit save. Okay, so at this point we have saved our first one. 2 through 50 are going to be very easy and very straightforward. You can close out of the one that's open to the right, click and find yourself a new image and go through the process again. The only thing that's different is we're not going to have to type in the name of our file. We're just going to click it and use the old name. So I'm going to control click for PC, or I'm sorry, control click for Mac, or right click for PC and save image as. I am already in my folder for the photo montage. And at this point, all I do is I click on my last image. I come down and I change the number to 2, and then I hit save. So here it is again. I close the image. I find a new one. I click on it. I then control click for the Mac or right click for the PC. Open link in new tab, save image as. I click on the last image, change the 2 to a 3, and I hit save. Okay, one last time for everybody. I find the image. I control click or right click. I go to save image as. Now, here's a perfect one. At this point, I see this is not a JPEG image. This has somehow slipped through Google's filter, and it shows a WEBP file. So it's a web archive or type file. So this is not a good image. Cancel. Close it, and I find myself my next image. Okay. Take this one, control click or right click. Now I see JPEG type. I see my other pictures. I click on Ferrari 3 and I change the number to 4 and I save it. At this point, you'll continue on by yourself, finishing the 50 photos needed for the project.